Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Flores and this activity belongs to the subject of intelligent systems. In this video, I'm going to explain my project called LCD Functions Displaying Text. The goal of this practice is to create a set of functions that allow to Raspberry Pi Pico to control a 60x2 LCD display using MicroPython. With these functions, we can easily send text and commands to LCD, for example, to display a message like Técnica 5. Okay, let's start with the circuit. The LCD is connected to the Raspberry Pi Pico, which means we only use 4 data pins instead of 7 GPIO resources. The connections are as follows. RS is connected to GPIO 0, E is connected to GP1, D4 to GP2, D5 to GP3, D6 to GP4, and D7 to GP5. Okay, now let's talk about the code. First, we import the necessary libraries. This allows us to use the GPIO pins and control timing delays. The next, we define the pins used to connect to LCD. Then all of 4 data pins are grouped into a list called port to make data handling easier. Okay, the function LCD strobe sends a short enable pulse to LCD every time we send that data. It basically turns the enable pin on and off very quickly to latch the command or data. The LCD write function is the heart of the program. It sends either a command or a character to LCD. If mode is set to 0, it sends a command. If it's 1, it sends display data. The function divides its byte into nibbles on the high 4 bits and the low 4 bits, and sends them separately because we're using a 4-bit mode. Okay, next, there are a few small but important functions like LCD clear that clears the screen, LCD home that moves the cursor to the top left, LCD cursor on and LCD cursor off that control cursor visibility, LCD push that displays a single character, LCD put that displays an entire string but calling LCD push for each letter, LCD go to that moves the cursor to a specific position on the display. Then we initialize the main program. The most important part is the LCD init. It sets the LCD to 4-bit mode, configured for 2 display lines, and turns the display on and clears the screen. It also ensures that the timing delays are correct to set LCD can read each command properly. Finally, in the main section of the program, we call LCD init and LCD puts. After running this code, the LCD initializes and displays the message "Hello from Pico" on the first line on the screen. So now, let's gonna run the code in the Raspberry Pi Pico to see the results. Okay, in this case, we run our code and we change the messages to see in the display. I'm gonna put Jonathan IG and my Instagram user. And that's it. Thank you so much.